Alrighty, YouTubers, thank you for tuning in to the fishing reel again. I just did a video about the charcoal canister, of which I still have in here, but the lines are disconnected. So I'm gonna put the fairings back on and the blinker, and I noticed some kind of like rattling noise, and couldn't figure out why it's going on there, where it comes from. So I had to take it apart. So I took the insides out here, the back. I took it all apart. I took the screen out, and what happened was, for some reason, which I can't explain, this rubber pushing here, which I'm thinking belongs in this slot here, like this. And then later on, if you bring it up and actually put it back on the bike, it belongs right in here. How it ended up in the blinker, I don't know. It might have been the pre-owner or something. I have no idea, but that was really weird. That was. And it's actually, see all that, the work I did to do all this. How this actually ends up somewhere in here. Didn't push through somehow. I don't know. But that's it. If this is your problem for a blinker, then that might be your solution. Okay, thanks for watching the fishing reel. Thank you so much, YouTube. Thanks. Bye.